What's up, guys? Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here, and I'm going to show you how the new sales pipelines can work. So if you want to check out Chirply, go ahead and watch this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Alright, so this is just a short list. All these people have actually opted in right here, and what I'm going to do is actually call them and see if they're interested in trying Chirply. So what I've done ahead of time is I've created some dispositions here. So we can go check these out real quick, show you what they do. So made contact, what that's just going to do is add them to that first step in the pipeline. And that's for kind of all purposes. Any way I want to actually add people to this pipeline, I can select this disposition. So I could call a different list, and that would add them to the pipeline as well. Leave a voicemail, that's if they don't answer. I'm going to do some cold calling and actually call these people, queue them up, and call them back to back, see if they're interested in Chirply. And if they don't answer the call, what this is going to do is actually drop a ringless voicemail, shoot them a text message, and again, add them to a stage in the pipeline. So if they are interested and they sign up on the call, I'm going to move them to my subscribers list here. I'm going to set the default number to my Chirply number, and they'll be added to the pipeline as a buyer. If they're not interested anymore, what I'm going to actually do is unsubscribe them from all campaigns, and I'll move them to the pipeline on my not interested list. So if we take a look at the pipeline here, you can kind of see this is the won column, this is the lost column. Right here is where people will enter. And you can fire actions when people enter a stage of the pipeline if you want to. So these are some of the actions you can do. You can add to a zap, trigger an IVR, a sales bridge, email, text message, assign to a sub-user or unassign them, actually add them to a campaign, drop a ringless voicemail, or do some list management up here at the top. So I actually just assign the default number whenever someone comes into this pipeline, because these are going to be all for Chirply. This follow-up SMS, if I actually drag one of these little tiles over here, it's going to shoot them a text message because I set that as one of the actions in here. So it's going to shoot them this text message, and it's just a simple follow-up message. So instead of having to actually send that, I can just drag their little card over here and drop it. So another cool thing is you can actually go into this tab right here. Looks like 3 little lines, and that's going to open up all your leads inside that pipeline. So if I click on that, it opens up the pipeline as a list. So what's cool about that is you can now fire bulk actions. So you can send them a text message, drop a ringless voicemail, shoot them an email. You can call them. That could be an outbound IVR call or a sales bridge message. What I'm actually going to do is just use the browser dialer. So this will queue up the leads and call them back to back here. And I'll do that with my Chirply number. I'm just going to see if they're interested in Chirply. So we'll start that right now.
Hello?
Hello, this is Derek giving you a call back about Chirply.
Derek, I'm in the middle of moving. I know you're an automated call, so I don't know how to get the message to you.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, you can give me a call back. So she actually thought I was an automation. So I'm going to follow up with her, but we'll go to the next lead right here.
Hello, you've reached Dean Bright. Thank you for your call. Please leave your name.
So that was Dean. And I'm going to leave him that voicemail automation. So that's going to leave him a voicemail, shoot him a text message, and we can just go to the next lead.
Hi, this is Todd. Please leave your message. I'll get back to you. Thanks.
So that was Todd. I'm going to leave him that message as well. And hit that last lead here. So I got no answer. I'm going to go ahead and leave a message as well. And that's the last lead in my call stack. So basically, you could keep doing that if you had a large list of leads, and basically disposition those leads into your pipeline at different places. All mine, I believe, will be in that same spot because none of them signed up or weren't a good fit. But if I had signed someone up, I could have automatically, using that buyer disposition, moved them to the one column here. Or if they weren't interested, they could have been automatically moved over here. So that's how the pipelines work. You can basically set up an automation by just adding someone to a step in the pipeline. And you can also dive into a certain step in the pipeline, get that list of everyone in there, and queue up actions like the power dialer or shooting a text message, dropping a ringless voicemail, and stuff like that. So I'm really loving this feature. We just launched this month. So if you want to actually try this, you need to be on the gold plan or above. So go ahead and sign up for a 7-day free trial, and I'm going to upgrade you to the gold plan through March 31st, 2021. So hopefully that's a good deal for you guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you on the next video.